Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's explore the term hiding. It's not just about concealment. There's more to this word. Let's uncover the nuances of staying out of sight. Meaning. So, hiding refers to the act of concealing oneself or something from view, often with the intention of remaining unnoticed or protected. It's a behavior associated with privacy, secrecy, or self-preservation. Usage. Imagine playing hide and seek, where the thrill is in finding the perfect spot for hiding. Or consider the more serious concept of hiding one's emotions in certain situations. Examples. Think of a child hiding behind a curtain during a game, or a person hiding their true feelings behind a smile. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhaɪdɪŋ, a term that captures the essence of staying unseen, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hideout? It's a hidden place where someone can stay, often associated with secret activities or refuge. Conclusion. If the idea of hiding sparks your interest, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more intriguing word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.